Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Today I am going to explain clearly about how to learn Java full stack and what all the concepts we are going to cover and how we can start learning Java concepts. First of all, let me explain two things. So Java has web development and second one is a Java full stack development. Full stack development. What is the difference between these two? Web development and full stack development. First thing is we are learning programming just to develop applications only. What is the purpose of attending these coding classes? What is the purpose of learning programming? Just two reasons only. Just to develop applications. Second one is for upgrading or maintaining the application. That is not required. The first one is developing the application. Okay. Sir, what we will do with application? Okay, we develop the application. What we will do? Let me explain with the simple example. Banking application is a banking application. What is the purpose of banking application? Who will use? Who will use banking application? Two people will use. One is customers, nothing but account holders, those who took account from the bank. Second one, employees of that bank. The people, those who are working for that bank. Who will use the application? Customers. If you took the account from any bank, you will use. Second one is a employers will use. Employees. Yes or no? Next. The question is why they will use. Why? Customers to take the services, employees to provide the services. Simple. Sir, what are the services? Same, giving the account, maintaining the details, right? Transactions, all these things. To provide all the services, banking application is required. Okay. Now let me explain briefly how the things will go. Suppose one customer came. I just want to take the account from your bank. Suppose the person saying, I just want to take account from your bank. What they will do? They will give the account and simply they will store the information in the database. After giving the account, they will store the information in the database. This is database. This is database. Sir, suppose is account. We store information in form of records. Account number, account holder name, balance. All these details we are saving here. This is the table. Table name, it's like account table, which contains account number, account holder name, balance in account. Okay. We are storing the information. We are retrieving the information. Just what are the operations you will do, sir? We will store information by giving the account to the customer. Right? After that, whenever they ask, we will display the information details. Right? In case any transactions update, suppose if they withdraw, we will update the balance. right? If they deposit, we will update the balance. Suppose customer came, sir, right? I want to change my mobile number. Then we will update the details. Sir, I don't want account in your bank. Simply we will delete. We perform all these operations. Sir, how? How we perform all these operations means for that we should learn database management system. We will learn database management system. We will learn DBMS. Sir, tell me one DBMS application. We will learn Oracle concept. Simply, we learn Oracle concept. That is database management system. That is backend. We call it as database. Sir, is it enough? Yes, of course, it is enough. But imagine, if you take the account, will you attend Oracle classes? Or suppose if you get job in any bank, will you learn Oracle? Definitely not. So then how you will perform all these transactions? Storing, displaying, updating and deleting. It's very simple. We will just learn UI technologies. Developing the client system is called user interface. UI. Customer came. What bank employee will do? Simply, bank employee will open the URL www.so-and-so-bank, something like hdfcbank.com. Then website will open. Of course, we will design this website. Here we are providing. Simply, just create the account, delete the account. All these options we will provide here. Now one customer came, I just want to take account from your bank. Okay. Simply, they will say that fill your details and they will open this form. Here we provide like this. Enter account number. Sometimes it will generate automatically. Enter the name of the account holder, right? Enter the balance. Enter the balance like this. Simply they will call insert. Simply they call insert. One button. Here we give one button. This is called user interface. Sir, how we will develop this user interface? What I should learn? You have to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript concepts we will learn briefly. Then only you can able to develop this application. So very good. They entered all the details. Suppose if they enter account number is 101, account holder name, balance in account. Suppose initial balance they want to deposit 5,000 rupees. They will click. When they click where it goes, it will go to server. A connection between client and database is a server. This is actually called backend. We are the backend developers. As soon as they click on insert, automatically the data will go to the server. Sir, in server, what are the technologies we learn? Java. Of course, so many. I'll explain. In a simple way, I'm telling Java. That is. Sir, what we will do here? Just collect input from HTML. Input from HTML. Second step, connect to database. connect to database, insert data, get results, successfully inserted or not, display the results, display the results. It will connect to database. It will connect to database with the DBMS application. It will connect. Then the data will store into this one. What is the account number? What is the account holder name? What is the balance in account? Balance in account, that is. Sir, successfully inserted or not? How can you say that? For any reason, if it has failed, yes, it may fail. It's not guarantee that always a successful insertion. So successfully account created or failed. We will display success page or failed. This is the story. Sir, I want to become a Java developer. Then what I should learn, sir? What I should learn? This is you have to learn. Simple. Okay. Now tell me, in Java web development, what all the concepts we are going to cover? I already told you, right? We are using that Java web development. If you want to become a Java web developer, same story. To design the client, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In JavaScript, new features came. We will learn those things also. ECMAScript features, ES6, very important features. To design the client system only. Okay. Next. Sir, what is the backend? Nothing but server. Simply to say server. Client we can say user interface. Server we can say backend development. First we will start from the core Java concepts. After that we will learn Oracle concepts. That Oracle we will learn with the database. What is the database? We will learn Oracle. Oracle contains SQL and PLSQL. What all these things? Not a big thing, easy. After core Java completion, we will connect with the database JDBC. Then we will learn servlets and JSP. Then based on all these things, we will develop one web project. Any project. Suppose complete banking application we will develop. Banking application means registrations, right? Login, next validations, all operations, all banking services, login, logout, everything we will develop. One complete project. Sir, to learn these many things, how long it will take? Exactly 2.5 months it will take. 2.5 months to complete this. Once you are good at all these things, then you are eligible to prepare your resume as a Java developer, Java web developer, so that you can upload your resume into number of job portals for interviews. This is the one. Sir, then how I become Java full stack developer? It's very simple. In a client UI, for this, after completion of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you need to attend client. Simply they call UI frameworks. Any one framework is important. Popular one is a React, or Angular. Vue is not came into the industry, but anyone, you should be good at anyone. Simply here we are learning React JS we call. Sir, what is the server? Then about the backend. What is the server side framework? Backend framework. That is, you know already, Spring Boot. In place of JDBC, so many came. We will learn Hibernate also. We will learn JDBC template also. Template. And we will learn data JPA. All are easy. No problem at all. Don't worry. In place of servlets and JSP, we learn Spring and Spring Boot. Along with that, one more concept is a REST API we will learn. Some services, Postman and all are there. And one more database we will learn. That is called MySQL database we will learn. Whenever you complete all these things, it will take 2 more months. 2 more months. And with including a project, same story, project. And finally, you can prepare your resume from Java web developer to Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. This is how we need to learn Java. What all the concepts we are going to cover, how classes will go. Is it hard to attend all these classes? Definitely not. Because you can check yourself by attending, right? 4 to 5 classes you continuously attend and then check yourself. Is it difficult or easy? In a 1 week, you can combine easily. Okay, all the things are very, very easy to learn. But there are two types, Java web development and Java full stack development is there. That is, first, what all the concepts we are going to cover. We are starting with the very basic called core Java. Sir, I don't know anything. No knowledge is required. Nothing is required. We will start from the very, very basic. Very basic. We will start from core Java concepts. What all the core Java concepts we will cover. From the basics, variables and types, operators, logics, control statements, loops, conditional statements, loops, patterns, logical programming. Then we will start OOPS concepts, arrays, strings, exceptions, multi-threading. Then a very important concepts, collections framework and JDK 8 features. These are, of course, few more are there, file handling and all. But these are the main concepts we will cover in core Java. All these things we will cover. So how the process will be, I'll explain one by one, I'll explain. Okay, this is just a basic, right, about web development as well as Java full stack development. How the course will go. The course will go exactly 4 months. Sir, I will learn only core Java concepts. Yes, you can learn only core, right? It will take hardly 30 days. It will take 30 days. Sir, I want to become only UI developer. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ES6, and React.js. Enough. UI developer. No, sir, I want to become a web developer also. Then add advanced Java concepts, which are JDBC, servlets, and JSP, along with the database. You will become web developer. No, sir, I want to become a full stack developer. As you are already learning React.js, you please add you please add a Spring Boot concept. You add a Spring Boot concept, Spring Boot REST API and all. That is, these are the concepts we are going to cover. Based on your requirement, you can attend the sessions. Every class will be recorded and every class will be provided. Sir, suppose if I miss the class, right? Simply you can check the video, right? Every class will be recorded and every class will be provided. This is how the classes will go. Remember the thing. Every day, sir, how long it will take? 1 hour is enough to take the class. After that, it will take exactly 2 to 3 hours for practice. Of course, few people can quickly practice, but I'm considering everyone. After completion of that, my class, for practice, it will take minimum 2 to 3 hours you have to spend. In this way, every class will go. Okay.